So today I'm making baked ziti. We have 1 pound of ground beef, a pound of Italian sausage, a box of ziti pasta, and some boiling water with salt. We're going to have some red, yellow, and green bell pepper and 1 yellow onion, and it's going to be cooked with the meat. Add the drained meat back to the skillet once you cook it and it's all cooked down. Then you're going to just drain that. You're going to add the Italian seasoning and garlic powder, and also the 2 cans of crushed tomatoes and a jar of marinara. And so you're just going to stir all that in over low to medium heat. Next, we're going to make the Alfredo sauce, which is 3 tablespoons of butter, 1 cup of heavy whipping cream, and a cup of grated Parmesan cheese. And so we're just going to have this simmering over low to medium heat. You want to constantly stir this because you don't want this to stick. So constantly stir this, but make sure that you're simmering this as low as possible. Don't forget about your meat sauce mix back here on the back end. So you want to make sure you're stirring both the Alfredo sauce constantly and the meat sauce. So what we're going to do is to kill a little bit of this tomatoey taste. We're going to add a little bit of brown sugar, but you just add it to your taste. I just added 1 tablespoon and it was okay for me. So next we're just gonna transfer this meat sauce into another container so that we can stir it all together, as well as the Alfredo sauce. And then we're gonna put the cooked and drained pasta in this bowl as well and mix it all together. And y'all see, it sounds and it smells. I wish I can just smell this. It smells so good. So I wanted to make some minis, so I just have these 3 little mini loaf pans, and then I have 1 big loaf pan back in the back. So I just separated these, and we're going to have the big loaf pan kind of like a TV dinner. We're just going to freeze that. But these 3 little small ones right here, this is what we're going to be eating throughout the day. And so I just cooked mine in the air fryer. I cooked it for about 15 minutes at 325. And I just added some mozzarella cheese also to this, and I layered it. So I did meat sauce, and then I put a little bit of mozzarella cheese, and then another layer of meat sauce, and then some more mozzarella cheese. And then I had some on top as well. And y'all see how it's looking. So we're going to have this with a Caesar salad and some garlic bread later, but this is just a little taste test that we're trying out right now. So yeah, who needs Olive Garden? Who needs Fazoli's or any of that when you have Italian baked ziti at home?